For over a decade, Naftosense has been at the forefront of hydrocarbon leak detection, delivering innovative, reliable, and cost-effective technology. Born from the demanding world of heavy oil and gas, our systems have evolved to meet the exacting standards of FM-7745 approval. FM, a global leader in commercial property insurance, recognizes Naftosense technology in reducing risk and lowering premiums. From manufacturing plants, to hospitals, to commercial buildings, our FM-7745 approved systems protect a wide range of equipment and facilities. Naftosense stands alone with our rope-style sensor, capable of detecting small leaks of gasoline, diesel, fuel oil, hydraulic fluids and engine oil, all in under 30 seconds. But speed is just the beginning. Our systems also offer easy adaptability and outstanding accuracy. For contractors, no complex calibration, wiring, or commissioning. The analog system is the most simplistic on the market and easiest to troubleshoot with a common multimeter. End users benefit from a fully automated system with digital BMS integration, easy troubleshooting, and no nuisance tripping. Our cleanable, reusable sensors and competitive pricing reduce overall system costs. And with our 10-year factory warranty, your ROI is assured. Protect your assets, ensure compliance, and boost your bottom line with Naftosense, the smart choice for leak detection. Contact us today to secure your facility's future. For more information, contact Naftosense by calling 614-350-0911 or by visiting www.naftosense.com.